Hello everybody, this is Sean, and I'm going to be doing another unboxing for you again today. This came in the mail. I believe it's my Fidget Cube Kickstarter, so we're going to open it right up. Okay. Ooh. Got a nice cardboard carton. Good quality, it's not flimsy. And they've got some bubble wrap. What's this? Okay. Thank you for your order. Fidget cubes. Ooh. They're bubble wrap. Oh, they're both loose inside their containers. They didn't hold them down at all, apparently. Ooh, that is the Kickstarter edition. Fidget cube. It's a nice container. They just need to mount it in there, I think. Nancy Labs. There's a description on the bottom and some writing in there that we should read too.
Tape.
Ooh.
I think it did used to be cemented down in there.
Spin, flip, breathe, glide, click. Okay, that's kind of... I kind of like the feedback on these, actually. I wish some of these clickers were like a little bit more clicky, but... Meet Fidget Cubes. We've all found ourselves clicking a pen, shaking our knee, or tapping our fingers during meetings or in class. Fidgeting is a totally normal behavior, often accompanying moments of productivity, concentration, and brainstorming. We designed Fidget Cube as a tool to satisfy the natural urge to fidget throughout the day, and then choking hazard stuff.
Oh,
Okay.
it has a not to 3 sad onion.
Aw, sad onions. Ooh, and it's all out of its thing. Oh, there's a carrying case inside the case.
I believe this one's had a little bit of a rough time in the transit.
This top part comes off. There's... Ooh. Carrying case. It seems to have something inside it. Ooh, it comes with a sticker.
Oh, mine's actually stuck in
And
there.
that's the berry. Oh, that one actually worked, but the thing detached from the base. That's hilarious.
Yeah, so... Oh, at least they tried.
Okay, so that thing actually somewhat works.
Okay, now how do I get this off of there?
I hope it breaks on camera.
I do not.
Okay, yours was glued to fuck and mine wasn't even bothered. Like, insert picture of Donna saying not even bothered.
Thanks
for watching. What do you think of the feeling on these buttons?
So good.
So good? I hate this side. Let's just look up fucking... Put something there next time.
This?
No, this one. It's just a worry stone. I already have a worry stone.
It's a creepy part.
Yes, yeah. It's a creepy part. Anyway, that's the unboxing of the Fidget Cube Kickstarter. Please check out my other videos. Subscribe, share, like it. Yeah. Have a great day. Bye.